Do you want to share your gaming passion with the world without spending a penny? With the PostGrid plugin, you can easily organize and display your gaming content in an eye-catching way without any coding. In this video, I will show you how to launch your own gaming blog for free. Stick around and let's get started on your journey to becoming a gaming blogger. Let's go to the appearance of your dashboard and then theme. Click on Add New Theme and then Upload Theme. You will find several free themes to use. Among them, Astra is a well-known theme that is free but highly useful and popular. Choose this to install and then activate. Now go to the plugins to add new plugin. In the search box, type PostGrid by Radius Theme. PostGrid is one of the leading WordPress grid plugin for creating any types of blogging website. Install this and then activate. You will now see an interface of PostGrid settings. Set your resource load type like Elementor or Gutenberg and then save the changes. Now go back to the dashboard, post, then category to set a new category. Provide a name like games. Click on add new category. After that, click on add new post and provide a title for this. You can set like how to start a gaming blog in 2025. Now click on this plus icon to provide the description. From here, click on the post and set a featured image according to your demand. Select any one of yourself and then save it. Now select a category for this. Now click on Publish to save. Now we will create a page for this. Go to the page. Click on Add New Page and provide a title for this like blog page. And on the top, click on the post grid. This is the interface of the starter layouts. You will get numerous starter layouts to work with. Select all starter layouts to try. Since we will be creating a free gaming blog website today, so click on free. Choose any one, click on import. After importing, you will get this type of interface. You can preview all these three layouts one by one and select what you prefer. Now click on Filter or Front End to customize this if you want. Next, from the query build, set the numbers of your posts to show like 6, 10, 12, etc. as limit. Then go to the layout options to fix your grid column like 2, 3, 4, etc. You can set the number of your posts from the query build to match the grid column count for a visually appealing layout. Now go to the style settings for your post title. You can customize the typography for your font size and then font weight. Now go to the settings for your field selection. From this option, you can keep, hide or show these fields according to your requirement, like metadata, post author, post excerpt, etc. From here, you can again customize your grid column number as well as limit. Again, go to the settings to customize this part for your field selection. From the post title, you can customize title crop by like words and title visibility style. From the metadata, you can enable or disable the show meta icon. Now again go to the style for your post title to customize the appearance, like the title color from into normal, hover or box hover. Then from the card like post item, you can customize the color from this color picker. Now let's customize this portion. Click on the block and then advance. From this, you can customize your background color here. Let's set the vertical align. You can set it into bottom, top or center. Let's customize the number of our post, what we want to show. Then go to the layout options to set the grid column. Now click on this plus icon, select the structure and drag grid layout to drop it here. Customize the grid column number along with layout style. Also set the limit. Then go to the advanced filter to set the categories. Go to the settings to fix the field selection like section title as games post. If you also want, you can keep or hide post author and also the post excerpt. Now go to the style settings to customize the title color and the bar color. Go to the post title and then to customize title color. From the metadata, you can set and change the meta color also, along with icon color. And from the read more option, you can further change background color, text color, and the border radius. Now click on this to save your changes. This is how you can easily start a gaming blog for free. Thanks for watching.